Good afternoon, folks. I had this John Deere lawnmower here. I don't know what size it is, but I bought it from my wife's grandpa, and I can't get it to start. It'll crank over amazing, but it will not start or fire whatsoever. It's a 14 horsepower Kawasaki motor, and it has compression, spark, gas is getting gas. I checked everything that I could on it. The spark plug's good. Checked all the wiring. It's all hooked up right. The fuel pump's pumping gas to the card. I tried starting fluid. Doesn't do shit. I'm confused. I ain't get my grass cut. I checked all the fuses. The oil level is good. I know on some of these mowers, if the level in the oil is low, it won't start. Well, this one here is full of oil like it should be, still won't start. So if anybody can help me, that would be greatly appreciated. Alright, thank you.